Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix HVCI, enable error Valorant. First thing you need to do is just come here, okay, hit search, and then just type in Windows Security, okay, and then open this up. And what we're going to be doing basically is we are going to be enabling a core isolation and memory integrity, because the main causes of the van restrictions with HVCI error is confliction with the memory integrity. So what you need to do now, once you reach right here, you need to click here on device security. Okay, you'll see right here core isolation details. Click on it, make sure this one is actually enabled. So toggle on memory integrity, then restart your computer, and that should fix the issue. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.